Sri Arvind Sawant.
Madam Speaker, the issue is when you talk about Make in India, what we are facing right now is that the defense manufacturing companies, I mean whether it is vessels or destroyers or submarines, while doing a Make in India, while allowing the private entrepreneurs to enter into this business, the private entrepreneurs are taking out the business of our defense companies only, which we are manufacturing right now. For example, suppose Mazgaon Dock is building a vessel or a submarine, the same business our own companies want to, private companies want to do. That is creating a conflict and losing our own companies, our companies are going into losses. I'll give an example of Mazgaon Dock Limited, which has recently constructed the destroyers and then submarines also. We have given orders of 5 submarines to them. The primary work of all submarines is over. Now they don't have a work with them, and the same work the private companies want to hold. What the ministry is going to do in this case to strengthen our own public sectors like Kochi Shipping or Mazgaon Dock Shipping, for them to give them more business, and they are doing world-class destroyers. They are manufacturing world-class destroyers. Everyone knows it. What the ministry is going to do, I would like to ask to you, madam. Thank you so much.
There are different replies to that, what he has asked. First, it is not 5 submarines, it is 6 submarines. One is already in the water for trial, so 5 are on the deck. So, honorable member might have counted the 5 which are in the dock. The one is already in the sea, taking the sea trials. As far as overall scenario is concerned, the defense shipyards, the question specifically asked is regarding shipyard, carry orders of around 1.5 lakh crores to be supplied in next 10 to 12 years. I will give him the details. 6,000 crores is the annual output by the defense shipyards. That too after lot of efforts from my side. And we expect to touch it to 10,000. So they have enough order. In a particular area of submarines, where what the honorable member is trying to point out is the initial yard where the submarine is being laid, that has already now vacant. We are trying to consider increase in the numbers of submarine they are making, but P-75I Indian, which is reserved for private shipyard, is a different technology submarine. It cannot be the same submarine as being manufactured by Mazgaon Dock, which is Scorpion, whereas 75I will have independent air propulsion.